Let's learn about colors, shapes, and counting to 5 with our narwhal friends. This narwhal is red. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Open. There's a sun inside. Hello, sun. This narwhal is yellow. Let's open it up. There's a star inside. Hi, star. This narwhal is green. Let's open it up. There's a green clover inside. Hello, clover. This narwhal is blue. Let's open it up. Open. There's a blue. Uh-oh. There's a blue cloud inside. Hello, cloud. This narwhal is purple. Let's open it up. There's a purple heart inside. Hello, heart. Now, let's mix all our shapes up. Now let's match the shapes to the narwhals. This is a star. It's a yellow star. This is a yellow narwhal and it has a star on its back. Put it in. This is a purple heart. You see a heart? There it is. This narwhal has a heart on its back. Let's put it in. This is a red sun. Do you see a sun? There it is. Let's open it up and put it in. This is a clover, a green clover. Here's the green narwhal with a clover on its back. Open, put it in, close. This is a cloud, a blue cloud. Here's the blue narwhal with a cloud on its back. Open, put it in, close. We put all the narwhals back together. Now let's give the narwhals a home. Here's a purple bowl. Which narwhal should go in the purple bowl? Yes, a purple narwhal. There you go. This is a green bowl. Let's put the green narwhal in the green bowl. This is a yellow bowl. Let's put the yellow narwhal in the yellow bowl. There you go. This is a red bowl. Should we put the blue narwhal in the red bowl? No. Let's put the red narwhal in the red bowl. This is a blue bowl. So let's put the blue narwhal in the blue bowl. We put all our narwhals in their homes. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you count backwards with me? Let's start with 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We talked about colors. We talked about shapes. And we counted to 5. If you had fun learning with me, please subscribe. And I'll see you in my next learning video. Bye! Hi, early learners. Let's learn all about different animals with our book, Dear Zoo, a Lift the Flap book, written by Rod Campbell. This says, from the zoo. I wonder what's inside. Let's open. I wrote to the zoo to send me a pet. They sent me in. It says very heavy. What's behind this box? It's an elephant. He was too big. I sent him back. Is an elephant a good house pet? No, elephants are too big to be in a house. Look, it's an elephant. This elephant is gray. Let's learn about the parts of an elephant. This elephant has a trunk. Its trunk is its nose, and it uses it to do a lot of things, like pick things up and even give itself a shower. This elephant also has tusks. It has 2 tusks. It uses its tusks to protect itself. This elephant has ears. 1 ear and another ear, 2 ears. It uses its big ears to hear things and to flap them and cool itself off. The elephant also has a tail. Sometimes it swishes its tail to flap away the flies and other bugs that want to land on it. Can you say the parts of an elephant with me? An elephant has a trunk. An elephant has a tail. An elephant has ears. And an elephant has tusks. What do you have that's the same as an elephant? That's right, you both have ears. Touch your ears. Are your ears as big as an elephant's? No, an elephant has big ears. Your ears are smaller than an elephant's. Let's keep reading. So they sent me a... It says fragile. What's inside? Giraffe. He was too tall. I sent him back. Is a giraffe a good house pet? No, they're too tall to be in a house. I have 3 giraffes. 1, 2, 3. Let's put these giraffes in order by height. This giraffe is tall. Which one comes next? Yes, this one. This giraffe is taller. That means this giraffe is the tallest. It's so tall you can barely see its head. Let's say it again. Tall, taller, tallest. Do you want to be as tall as a giraffe? Let's keep reading. So they sent me a... It says danger. I wonder what's behind the box. A lion. He was too fierce. I sent him back. Fierce animals can be a little bit dangerous. Is a lion a good house pet? It is a type of cat, but it's not a nice type of cat to have in the house. Lions are a type of big cat. Even though some people keep cats as a house pet, big cats are not usually good as house pets. They're too fierce and a little bit dangerous. Some of these animals are lions, and some of them are other types of big cats. Do you know which ones are lions? That's right, this one is a lion. We know it's a lion because it has a mane, a lot of fur around its head. This one is also a lion. This is a female lioness. It doesn't have a mane, but it has a smooth coat. This is a male lion and a female lion. This big cat is called a tiger. A tiger has stripes. And this big cat is called a cheetah. A cheetah has spots. These are all types of big cats that live in the wild. These are lions. This is a tiger. And this is a cheetah. Can you roar like a lion? Roar! Let's keep reading. So they sent me a... It says with care. Let's open and see what's inside. Open. Open. It's a camel. The camel has a hump. He was too grumpy. I sent him back. Is a camel a good house pet? Some people do have camels as pets, but they use them for other things. Here's a camel. The book said that camels are too grumpy, and grumpy rhymes with humpy. They have a big hump on their back. You see that hump? Grumpy means that they're not very friendly. Can you show me your grumpy face? Although some people do have camels as pets, they use them to ride through the desert. Have you ever ridden on a camel? Let's keep reading. So they sent me there's a basket and it's small. I wonder what's inside. Let's lift the flap. It's a snake. He was too scary. I sent him back. Do you think a snake is a good house pet? Some people do like snakes. Look, it's a snake. Is this snake scary? No, not really. Snakes kind of look like the letter S. And the S says S, just like a snake. Snake even starts with the letter S. When you think of the letter S, you can think of a snake. Some people are scared of snakes because they're very slithery, but a lot of people keep snakes as pets and other creepy crawly animals like spiders and lizards. Did you ever want a snake for a pet? Let's keep reading. So they sent me I see something looking out from on top of the box. Let's open it up. It's a monkey eating a banana. He was too naughty. I sent him back. Do you think monkeys are naughty or nice? I think I'll take a little break and have a snack. I have some bananas. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 bananas. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Wait a minute. I thought I had 3 bananas. What happened to my other banana? Where did it go? There was a monkey here? A monkey? Oh, here's the monkey. Hi, monkey. Do you know what happened to my banana? No. You didn't see anybody take it? Are you sure? Okay, I'm gonna go look somewhere else for it. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Where did all my bananas go? They're all missing. The monkey took them, but when I asked the monkey, he said he didn't take them. That's very naughty. Let me call that monkey back over here. Monkey? You said you didn't take my bananas, but they said you took them. That's telling a lie. Telling a lie is naughty. So is stealing. Stealing is naughty too. I know. Oh, monkey, did you bring my bananas back? Thank you. That is so nice. Thank you. And you know what? I'll share a banana with you since I know you love them. Sharing is being nice. Here you go, monkey. Sharing is being nice. Stealing is being naughty. Telling the truth is being nice. Lying is being naughty. Are you naughty or nice? Let's keep reading. So they sent me oh, it's a tiny pink box. What's inside? Open. It's a frog. Ribbit. He was too jumpy. I sent him back. Would you want a frog as a pet? What's that? It's a jumping frog. Come on, frog, you can, ah! There it goes. Can you jump like a frog? Jump, 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 jump. The frog says, ribbit, ribbit. Did you know that frogs don't know how to jump when they're born? When they're born, first they start as an egg. Then they turn into a tadpole. It has a little tail and it swims around almost like a fish. Then the tadpole grows legs and transforms into a frog. And then the frog hops around happily in its pond. Some people like to keep frogs as pets, but usually frogs like to live in their own habitat, a pond. Let's close this box. So they thought very hard and sent me it says, from all your friends at the zoo. Let's open up the box. It's a puppy dog. Hi, puppy dog. He was perfect. I kept him. Do you know how to take care of a puppy for a pet? Woof, woof. Do you hear that? Woof, 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 woof. Oh, it's a cute, soft puppy dog. The dog has ears and a wet nose, 2 eyes, and lots of fur, and a tail. When a dog wags its tail, that means it's happy. Hi, dog. Do you know how to take care of a puppy dog? A puppy or a dog is a great house pet, but dogs need lots of love and attention. To care for a dog, you need to give it food and water every day. Dogs also need to go on walks and play in yards or in fields. And they need a safe place to sleep inside or somewhere that's covered out of the rain and weather. And of course, they need lots of love and affection. Do you have a pet dog? Maybe we should write a letter to the zoo and be a little bit more descriptive so they know exactly what kind of pet we would want. The zoo sent us a lot of silly animals, like an elephant and giraffe, a lion and a camel. Let's write a letter that really tells the zoo what kind of animal we would like to have for a pet. When we write a letter, we usually start with the words dear, ear, and then the name of who we're sending it to. Zoo. Then let's tell the zoo what kind of pet we would like. I would like a pet that is small, gentle, calm, nice, and friendly. Thank you. Then we'll sign our names. Your friends, Miss Sydney and early learners. And now we can put our letter in the envelope. Give it a lick. Close it. And we'll write to the zoo. Now we'll go put it in the mailbox. Thanks for learning with me today. Please subscribe and I'll see you at my next learning video. Thanks. Hi, learners. Let's put this puzzle back together and say our sounds. This sound is ah. Let's say ah. Ah. There's ah. This sound is b. Say b, 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 b. This sound is k. Say k, 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 k. This sound is d. Say d, 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 d. This sound is eh. Say eh. Great. This sound is f. Say f. This sound is g. Say g, g, g. This sound is h. Say h, h, h. This sound is I. Say I, I. This sound is j. Say j, j, j. This sound is k. Say k, k, k. This sound is o, o, o. This sound is This sound is Say This sound is ah. Say ah, ah. This sound is p. Say p, 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 p. This sound is oh, pick it up. This sound is qu. Say qu, qu, qu. This sound is oh. Say oh. This sound is s. Say s. This sound is t. Say t, t, t. This sound is say oh, oh. This sound is v. Say v, v. This sound is woo. Say woo, woo. This sound is x. Say x, x. This sound is e. Say e, e. This sound is z. Say z, z. We said all our letter sounds. If you're having fun, could you please subscribe to our channel? It really helps. Thank you. Now let's see if we can do a little blending. Blending is when we put two or more sounds together. Do you remember this sound? This sound is ah. Say it with me. Ah. Let's put the ah there. This sound is t. Say t. That's right. T. We have ah and t. Ah, t. Say it with me. At. Again. At. Let's put them together and blend them even faster. At. 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 This is the word at. Yes, the word is at. Sometimes we can put letters in front and make new words. Let's try this letter. This letter is B. Let's put the B here and let's blend it together. B, at, bat, bat, bat. This is the word bat. Let's take away the B and let's put this sound in front. This is the sound K. That's right. Let's put K and at together. K, at. Cat. Yes, this is the word cat. What does a cat say? Meow. Yes. Let's take away the K and let's put this sound in front. This is the sound H. Let's put the H here, and let's push it together with our at. Ready? At. Hat. This is the word hat. You wear a hat on your head. Let's take away the and let's put this one in. This sound is Let's blend it together. At, mat, mat. This is the word mat. Great reading, early learners. Thank you for playing with me today. If you enjoyed this video, it really helps me if you like and subscribe. See you next time. Hi, early learners. I have a beehive. Oh no, all of the bees have flown away. Let's find them. Look, I found some colorful nests. Let's see what's inside of the eggs. Let's start with the purple egg. Open. It's a purple ring. One purple ring. Let's count to 1. 1. What's in the red egg? Let's open it up. Open. More rings. Let's count the rings. 1, 2. 2 red rings. Let's see what's in the orange egg. Orange. Open. Rings again. Let's count how many rings. 1, 2, 3. 3 orange rings. This nest has 2 eggs. They're both blue. This is light blue. And this is dark blue. Let's open the light blue egg first. Open. Rings again. And let's count them. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 light blue rings. Let's see what's in the dark blue. Open. More rings. There's more and more. Let's count the dark blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dark blue rings. Let's see what's in the green egg. Open. Rings, of course. Let's count the green rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 green rings. One more egg. This egg is yellow. Let's open the yellow egg. Open. It's tricky, but we can do it. There we go. Yellow rings. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 yellow rings. What can I do with all these rings? I know. Let's use my magic wand. Let's tap the color and see if anything happens. Look! A purple bee appeared. Let's tap the next color. Say red. Red. Look! A red bee appeared. Say orange. Orange. Ta-da! It's an orange bee. Let's do the light blue. Say light blue. Light blue. Wow, a light blue bee. Now let's do the dark blue. Say dark blue. Dark blue. 2 bees in the blue bowl. 1, 2. Let's do the green. Say green. Wow, a green bee appeared. One more color. Say yellow. The yellow bee is here. Now we have all of our bee friends. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bee friends. Let's say a poem about bees. We can use our hands. Put one hand in a fist. say, "Here is the beehive." But where are the bees? Hiding away so nobody sees. Watch and you'll see them come out of their hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Zzz, watch out! Let's put the bees back in the hive. Let's start with the purple bee. Bzzz. Here's the purple bee. Put it gently in the hole. Let's put the red bee back in the hive. Bye-bye, red bee. Bzzz. Here's the red bee. Put it in. Let's put the orange bee back in the hive. Bye-bye, orange bee. Zzz. Here's the orange bee. Zzz. Uh-oh. It's okay to make a mistake. Let's just try again. Put it in. Orange bee. Let's put the light blue bee back in the hive. Here we go. Zzz. Here's the light blue bee. Here's light blue. Go in there, bee. Yay. Let's put the dark blue bee back in the hive. Bye-bye, blue bee. Oh no, we can do it. Zzz. Here's the blue bee. Does it go in here? No. Does it go in here? No. It goes right in the middle. Put it in. Uh-oh. Let's try it this way. Remember, mistakes are how we learn, and we have to practice to get better. Let's put the green bee back in the hive. Bye-bye, green bee. Zzz. Here's a green bee. Put it in the green hole. Very carefully. Only one bee left. Let's put the yellow bee back in the hive. Bye-bye, yellow bee. Zzz. Here's the yellow bee. Let's put it in the yellow hole. Get in there, bumblebee. Let's count how many bees we put back into the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We put 7 bees back into the hive. Great job, early learners. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more learning videos. Bye. Hi friends! Look at all of these colorful nests that I have. Let's say the colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. What lives in a nest? I'll give you a hint. It's something that comes out of an egg. What comes out of an egg? Let's find out. Let's look in this purple egg. Let's open it up. It's a purple bird. The purple bird goes in the purple nest. I wonder what color bird is in this blue egg. Let's open it up. It's a bluebird. The bluebird goes in the blue nest. I wonder what color bird is in this green egg. Of course, it's a green bird. Let's put the green bird in the green nest. Do you know what color bird is in this egg? Let's open it up. It's a yellow bird. The yellow bird goes in the yellow nest. I bet you can guess what color is in here. Let's open up the orange egg. It's an orange bird. Hello. Let's put the orange one there. Uh-oh. This is not a red egg. This is a colorful egg, but it's in the red nest. So what color do you think the bird will be? Let's open it up and find out. Of course, it's a red bird, and the red bird goes in the red nest. Let's count how many birds we have. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 birds. Good counting. These mama birds look kind of lonely. I think they're missing their babies. What's this that I just found? It's a giant egg full of... What are those? Let's open it up and see what's inside. Wow! It's baby birds. Do you see the baby birds? They're so cute. I think the baby birds need to go back with their mamas. Can you help me put the baby birds back with their mamas? Let's see. What color is this bird? Yes, it's purple. So let's put the purple bird with the purple nest. Let's do some more. Are you ready? This is a green bird. The green bird goes with the green nest. This is a blue bird. The blue bird goes with the blue nest. This is a yellow bird. The yellow bird goes with the yellow nest. This is a orange bird. The orange bird goes with the orange nest. This is a red bird. The red bird goes with the red nest. Yay! We have so many more to do. Let's keep sorting. What color is this bird? Purple. What color is this bird? Orange. What color is this bird? Blue. What color is this bird? Yellow. What color is this bird? Green. That's right. What color is this bird? Red. Let's put it inside. And we still have some more. Here's a purple bird. Do you see another purple bird? Maybe they can go home together. Oh, there they are. Now we have 2 purple birds flying home to their nests. Fly, fly, fly. This is an orange bird. Do you see another orange bird? Tweet, tweet, tweet. There it is. Now the orange birds can fly home together. Fly. This is a yellow bird. Where's the other yellow bird? There it is. Yay, now these yellow birds can fly home. Fly, fly home. This is a red bird. Is this a red bird? No, it's not a red bird. Where's the red bird? Oh, there it is. Now the red birds can fly home to the red nest. There you go. This is a green bird. Let's find your other green bird. There it is. Yay, now they're together. Fly, 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 fly. And this is a blue bird. One more blue bird left. Yay, let's fly home to the blue nest. And now our egg is empty. All the birds are home. Yay! Wow, how many baby birds do the mama birds have? Let's count the bluebirds. 1 mama bird, and let's count her babies. 1, 2, 3, 4. She has 4 babies. Tweet, tweet, tweet. How many birds are there all together? Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 mama and 4 babies equals 5 birds in the family. Yay! Do all the families have the same number of baby birds? Let's check. Let's count the red baby birds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 baby birds. Let's count the orange baby birds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it the same? Yes. 4 and 4 is the same. Now all the birds are in a row. Let's say the colors again. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. All of the rows have one mama bird. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And all of the rows have 1, 2, 3, 4 baby birds. Let's play a game. Some of the baby birds are going to fly away. See if you can find the missing birds. Okay, close your eyes. Which birds are missing? That's right. An orange bird is missing. A green bird is missing. And a purple bird is missing. But now they're back. Yay! Let's play it one more time. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Which birds are missing? You got it! A red bird is missing. A yellow bird is missing. And a green bird is missing. But now they're home. Yay! Good job finding the missing birds. The birds are in a pattern. Can you help me finish the patterns? Let's look at the first pattern. Let's say the colors together. Purple, blue, purple, blue. What comes next? Let's say it again. Purple, blue, purple, blue, purple. That's right. Let's put a purple. What comes after the purple? You got it. A bluebird. Good job finishing the pattern. Let's look at this pattern. And let's say the colors together. Red, yellow, green. What color do you think comes next? That's right. Red. Red, yellow, green. Red. You got it. Yellow. What comes next? That's right, it's a green one. Let's say the pattern again. Red, yellow, green. Red, yellow, green. Wow, you did awesome. Look at the birds. Let's count them. 1, 2. What do you notice about these birds? Which one is bigger? That's right, the purple bird is bigger than the orange bird. Oops. Which one is smaller? You're right, the orange bird is smaller than the purple bird. How many birds are in the nest? Let's count. 1, 2. 2 birds. Look, more birds are coming. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Let's add them to the nest. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 3 more birds came to the nest. First we had 2, then 3 more came. How many birds are in the nest now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 birds are in the nest, and they're all home. Uh-oh, Mama bird has to go. Bye-bye, babies. Tweet, 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 tweet. Uh-oh. Oh no, Mama's gone. 1 bird left. Now how many birds are left? We had 5. 1 flew away. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 birds are left. They missed their mama. Come back, Mama. Tweet, tweet, tweet. How many birds are in the red nest? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 birds. Uh-oh. 1 bird has to go away. Bye-bye, baby bird. How many birds are left? Let's count. 1, 2. We had 3 and 1 went away, and now we only have 2. Come back, bird. Tweet, 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 tweet. Now we have 3 again. Thank you for playing with me today. Let's say bye-bye to all the birds. Bye-bye, red birds. Bye-bye, orange birds. Bye-bye, yellow birds. Bye-bye, green birds. Bye-bye, blue birds. Bye-bye, purple birds. Great job cleaning up. Keep learning, and I'll see you next time. Bye.